Hello my beautiful darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about how to live a more feminine lifestyle. On my channel we love talking about femininity, of course, and how to make your life more feminine, more relaxing, so that your life reflects really how you feel inside. And I'm going to give you some little habits and some little things that you can do and incorporate in your life so that you feel more in your feminine energy most of the time. In case you don't know what feminine energy is, it is more being in your body, in the present, relaxing, more dancing, more free energy, more round movement, surrender, nurturing, caring, being more loving. Feminine energy is more non-action rather than the masculine energy is more action, focus, leadership, go for it, and all of that. And we have both as women. We can use both, of course. But on this channel, we love to feel more feminine and we feel truly amazing in that energy. And of course, men love it. So I'm going to explain to you how to make your lifestyle more feminine. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. But first, just wanted to let you know that if you want to see more of my content, I talk about fashion, femininity, old Hollywood glamour, seduction, dating, and anything to level up and to make you become the best version of yourself, to transform yourself into a high caliber woman. Feel free to join the channel, the link is down below. Also follow me on my Instagram, which is at Lisa Hardstyle. So the number one thing that you can do to have a more feminine lifestyle is to create a feminine space in your house, in your home. Your home is really the place where you feel peaceful, when you rest, when you truly are with yourself. And it's really the place where you're gonna feel the most feminine energy. So decorating, creating a space that is more feminine, decorating your home with feminine things is going to help you feel more feminine. When you see beautiful flowers, you're going to feel more feminine immediately. When you see beautiful pillows, you know, I love having some pillows that are a little bit sparkly or fluffy. I love when it has like some texture, some sparkles. Who doesn't love sparkle, first of all? Like, have you seen my shoes? I am a sparkly, obsessed girl. But some mirrors, I love mirrors. I love decorating homes. It's just the best feeling ever because it's just like fashion, you know, you make yourself feel beautiful and you make your home feel beautiful. So like that, everything feels so good and so feminine and you feel like a literal princess or queen or a goddess in her castle. Beautiful decor, you can buy some art, some soft feminine decoration. Also, if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend too much on new decoration, you can also change and just rearrange your room. It's going to make you feel like a new person. Have you noticed that I love changing the space of my room. I love changing decoration, changing everything because it makes me feel like a new woman. It makes me feel more feminine. It makes me feel like it's a new place. Rearranging the decor of your house. Having also some nice scented candles can really make you feel like a true queen. I love it because it smells good. Having some nice candles can really make you feel so elegant and very feminine. It makes you really relax. You know, feminine energy is all about being your body and your senses. With scented candles, you scent the beautiful scent of the candle. So you're immediately more relaxed and more in your feminine energy. So make sure you make your home feel beautiful, feminine, clean. Also, cleaning your home. There's nothing better than a clean home. It's just like beautifully decorated and everything is just feeling so good. Next is, of course, a feminine skincare. You have creams, cleanser, oils, anything that is just making sure that you take care of your skin. So creating your own little spa at home, you can have a space at home where you feel like you doing your own little spa, your own little beauty routine, and then you feel more feminine because you have your own area to do it. And then on top of it, you're going to do it more often. It's going to be a pleasure to do it. It shouldn't be a chore to take care of yourself. It shouldn't be something that you have to do. I have to do it. I have to put on makeup. I have to put on my skincare. No, I want you to actually enjoy it and feel all of that. Feel that it makes you feel good. Like when you put on makeup, you feel like a goddess. When you put on your skincare at night or during the weekend, you let your skin breathe, because it's important to also let your skin breathe from any makeup, to really cleanse it nicely with a nice wash and to really feel good by taking care of yourself. I want this experience to be like you're in a spa. And by the way, if you can, also treat yourself for a spa from time to time. I think I really need it right now. I feel exhausted. I don't know about you, but right now it's the winter, it's depressing. I came back from New York and it's just a lot. There was a lot of traveling, a lot of things to do, so I need some spa, I need some take care of me, and I think you all deserve that, my ladies. So treat yourself from time to time. I always say that to you, but that's important. On this channel, we love to become high value women that make money, save our money, and find a nice provider that is going to take care of us like little princesses that we are. But don't forget to reward yourself every single day. Don't forget to treat yourself from time to time. Number 3, feminine activities. Of course, I did a whole video on feminine activities that really increase your feminine energy, and I invite you to see it. I will link it below. And I think that feminine activities are really a ritual that we can install in our life to feel more feminine, to have a more feminine lifestyle. For example, you at work, you're more in your masculine energy all day, and you want to actually relax when you're home and feel more in your feminine energy, to actually feel like a true woman. During the weekend as well, it's important. So you can take care of yourself, do a little mask when you come home, watch a little bit of Sex and the City, you can do your nails maybe, cook something nice for yourself, or even do a feminine activity. When you want to do sport, you can actually take that opportunity to do a feminine type of sport so that you're more in your feminine energy. Even though you can also absolutely do sport that are not super feminine, like you can run, you can have lift some weights and all of that. It's completely fine. But there are some activities that you can also add to all of the things that you're doing if you have the time to feel more feminine. Belly dance, of course, all kind of Latin dance, the dances that are more round and round movement and make you feel like a true goddess. You have activities that are also very creative. For example, painting, creating anything will make you feel more feminine. So I really invite you to see this video. It will give you a lot of ideas on what activities can be very feminine and increase your feminine lifestyle. Number 4, set your table. Have a nice table. That goes also with having a nice decor in your house. I think eating is a very important moment of the day. It should not be just eating like this very quickly and not enjoying the moment. Femininity and leveling up, it's all about improving ourselves, but it's also about enjoying the moment and enjoying this beautiful life that we have. So it's all about setting the table. I know sometimes we are in a rush, we don't have time for this, but I encourage you to do it the most that you can, to set a nice table. Maybe you can do that for the dinner, maybe you can do that for your husband. It is important. It makes you feel luxurious at a table. It makes you feel more leveled up, more feminine. It makes you feel more elegant. All of that without costing too much. You can buy some beautiful plates, some beautiful decoration. You have some on Amazon, you have some on everywhere actually. That could be looking very cute, very posh, very elegant, and like this it elevates you. It makes you feel very luxurious, because I think that luxury is also how you feel. It is really feeling luxurious and increasing the beauty of your life. Next, of course, dressing feminine. I invite you to see my videos about dressing feminine. It will indicate to you a little bit on how to dress feminine. Maybe I should do an update on that. Maybe I should do another video on more detail. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. You can have nice dresses, for example. I think that dresses are so simple because it's just one garment. Even if you're in a rush, you need to go at work, you can buy some couple of dresses that are really simple. You can buy some dresses for the winter, some knitted dresses, some velvet dresses. I also love that. I think it's very luxurious looking. In the summer, of course, you can buy tons of beautiful dresses. This is the season of the dresses. You can also wear pants, of course, but also adding some colors, adding some accessories, coordinating the colors. Coordinate the colors and the patterns. It will increase your confidence. It will make you feel like you actually put the effort into your style. You improve your style, you can improve it little by little. Next is get inspirations. You can read a book, listen to a podcast, listen to a YouTube video like you're doing right now. Making my own publicity. Listen to someone you admire giving you advice. What you're doing right now is already a path in your feminine lifestyle. YouTube videos, even movies. I talk a lot about movies on my channel. There's a lot of movies that I recommend in case you see all of my videos when I analyze actresses. So getting inspired really increase everything. Getting inspired for your style. You go on Pinterest and you see some beautiful outfits that are very coordinated, that are very beautiful, some fashionistas putting on some outfits. You get inspired by that and you can recreate that. When you listen to a podcast, you read a book, you also improve all of it, your feminine energy, your culture, your intelligence. Like cultivating yourself is very feminine. It makes you feel luxurious, it makes you feel smarter, it makes you feel more high caliber. I think it's very important to get some inspiration, to cultivate ourselves. All of that is going to increase our confidence, and we need confidence for this feminine lifestyle. Next is confidence, of course. Fake it until you make it, ladies. You need to learn to accept your body, your face, everything that makes you unique, because you're beautiful. Learn to enhance the features you have. Learn to enhance the beauty you have right now. To have this beautiful, divine, feminine energy, it is also about confidence. If you just like that, you're not going to be capable to fully express your womanhood. I want you to be proud of who you are and just be like, here I am, a fabulous goddess. So you can fake it at first, and then your brain will be used to it, and at a certain point you will believe it. You will believe that you're fantastic, that you're fabulous. And in case you still struggle with that, I did a video on habits to increase your confidence, and those habits are really amazing in case you want to increase your self-love and to truly become a confident bombshell. Last but not least, sometimes accept the fact that you're not going to do it all. It is fine. Okay, ladies, we don't have to be perfect. And I think that perfectionism can really paralyze us sometimes. Being feminine is not about being happy all the time. Sometimes you're gonna be vulnerable, you're gonna be sad, sometimes you're gonna be happy, sometimes you're gonna be joyful, tired, positive. It's okay. And make sure that if you are on a negative spiral, make sure that you try to do things to get out of it and not stay in that negative spiral. As women, we are more delicate, like a beautiful flower. So of course we're gonna have more emotions. There are sometimes where we're gonna feel tired, and that is fine. Take time to relax. Like this society says that we have to do it all the time. I'm saying, no, it's fine. Sometimes we don't have to do it all. It is fine. This feminine lifestyle, it's all about increasing your happiness. If you feel like it's too much, if you feel like you're too stressed for all the things that you have to do, take some time to just sit back and relax. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful darlings. I hope you liked it, and I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments down below if you have other ideas on what will increase your feminine lifestyle and make your life feel more feminine. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and also follow me on my Instagram, which is at Lisa Heartstyle. Take care, and until next time, I'm giving you so much kisses, my darlings. Mwah. I feel like Snow White, don't you think? So cute!